October 28, 1886.
Love she stands for, liberty for you and me.
The Statue of Liberty, a gift from the people of France to the United States, is dedicated in New York Harbor. 1922.
Cambia finalmente il suo impero.
Fascism comes to Italy as Benito Mussolini takes control of the government in the capital, Rome. 1962. The Cuban Missile Crisis ends as Cold War superpowers step back from the brink of nuclear war. Soviet leader Nikita Khrushchev informs the United States that he has ordered the dismantling of Soviet missile bases in Cuba. In return, President John F. Kennedy promises that the U.S. won't invade Cuba. 1955.
We're at the beginning of what the computer can do to change our lives. The best is yet to come.
Microsoft's co-founder Bill Gates, ranked by Forbes magazine as the world's richest man, is born in Seattle. And 1967.
Don't forget, I'm also just a girl standing in front of a boy, asking him to love her.
Actress Julia Roberts, star of movies including Pretty Woman and Erin Brockovich, is born in Smyrna, Georgia. Today in history, October 28th, Tim McGuire, The Associated Press.